Look at how they slide off that. 35 degrees and we're at the end of May. You might probably be wondering what this piece of mint in my hat is.
You're watching Stuart J, the Bowtie Cook, with simple seasonal recipes.
With the olive oil and lemon juice on it, that smells really beautiful. You've got a barbecue, you've got to have a drink in hand, nice cold beer. Oh, it's hot. It's getting hot by the minute. Welcome back to the channel. On this lovely hot sunny day, it's nearly 35 degrees and we're at the end of May. You might probably be wondering what this piece of mint in my hat is. Well, a Greek chef told me that it keeps flies away, so I'm going to give it a go anyway. What we're cooking today, we're cooking Greek Souvlaki kebabs on the barbecue actually, so that would be nice. I'm making with chicken. You can use pork or you can use beef, and we'll be serving that with a nice crisp Greek salad and feta cheese. Let's get cooking. Okay, now put all the ingredients in, so let's go down and have a look, see how it looks now. So what I put in there, the thyme, the oregano, the crushed garlic, lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and lemon peel or lemon rind, and the olive oil. That's been marinating for an hour now. So let's make kebabs. I'm using these wooden skewers here, and we get them on. Don't go right to the end, like so. So I'll come back when I've done them all. Okay, right, a bit messy. You can put gloves on. But anyway, now I've got 6 lovely kebabs. There's 600 grams of chicken thigh. Now the reason why I use chicken thigh and not chicken breast, because chicken breast can get very dry. So the best thing is, I like it was skinned, it was boned from the butchers, and it's so much easier and it's so much more succulent than the chicken breast. So I'm going to make some flatbreads and I'll make the salad up, and then I'll get onto the barbecue and we'll get cooking. Pan's up to temperature. Let's get these on. I'll just turn that down for a minute. It comes from that way. It's in the pan. Back in a minute when the first side's done. Flip it over and just put a second one in. Oh, it's hot. It's getting hot by the minute. Right, wrong place to be on a hot day next to the barbecue. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just spritz this with olive oil. Let's get these bad boys on. Oh, that's charcoal, that smells lovely. Leave them on there, don't move them around. Leave them there for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then once they're cooked on one side, they won't stick and they lift off easy. That charcoal smell with the olive oil and lemon juice on it, that smells really beautiful. See? Let's seal them. There you go. Great. Hold a minute. I'm just trying to get my drink. You've got a barbecue, you've got to have a drink in hand. Nice cold beer. And we're going to prep the Greek salad. If you see smoke drifting across, it's the barbecue, I'm not on fire. Okay, so let's make this Greek salad. I've done the main preparation of the vegetables or the salad. I've got cod lettuce, cucumber, tomato, radish. I'm going to sprinkle that with some oregano, like so, and also put some feta on there as well, and some oregano. I've got some olives here, which I've sliced, they're Greek olives. Put those on there. Okay, a little bit of pepper, a smidgen of salt, not too much salt because the feta's a bit salty, and some lovely grated lemon. And then I'm just going to make a salad dressing, very simple. The fresh lemon, which was squeezed, some oregano, pepper, salt, and give it a whisk. There you go, literally 30 seconds. Let's give that a taste. Oh, tastes like fresh lemon, that lovely olive oil. All you do is just drizzle it over. And there you go, a very simple Greek salad. And let's put a piece of that cheese. They're really steamy now. You smell that lovely charcoal, the oregano and the olive oil. Got a colour on those, and it'll be time to plate up. So let's get them off there and get them over to the table and have that with some salad. So let's dish up. Let's get some of that salad on there first as the base. So look at that. And get some of that juice. That's lovely. Look at how they slide off that. Some feta cheese, a bit of that chicken. That tender. That chicken just melts in your mouth. That's so tender, so flavourful. The thyme, the oregano and the lemon really brings it out. And I said that chicken thighs, that's the best thing. This is beautiful. Just a little bit of a piece of flatbread and get some juices. Lovely. Perfect weather for chicken Souvlaki from Greece. Hope you enjoyed this one. Please look at the library for some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. New recipe every Wednesday. Thank you for watching.